Hi, we have a custom mechanical tool, just a simple grip tool. It's for picking up these skid steer controls. One thing that we're going to use, it's on a Gorbel Easy Arm, so this is going to come in really handy. We have a feature called flow mode, so I hit a button and I can basically then grab anywhere on the tool and pick up the part, take it out of flow mode or control it up down. Then you just hit the up down controls. Again, I'll show you here. Hit flow mode. Makes it really nice. So, like I said, very simple mechanical tool. It's got a pull pin there. Secure it in. Do the same on the other side, so the part's secured in there. Gorbel Easy Arm is very easy to use in a work cell. Unlike a jib crane and the hoist, which has the hoist overhead creating momentum, the lifting portion is the G-force technology, which is on top of the column. So that's the basic operation of that tool. For more custom solutions, visit us at ergonomicpartners.com. Thank you.